Welcome to our tutorial on how to leverage future trends in staff augmentation for business success. The workplace is evolving, and so is staff augmentation. Let's explore the future trends shaping this industry. With remote work becoming the norm, staff augmentation now includes seamless integration of remote professionals into your team. Augmented staff are leveraging AI tools to enhance productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and provide data-driven insights. Access to a global talent pool means you can bring in diverse perspectives and specialized skills from anywhere in the world. Stay ahead of the curve with these future trends in staff augmentation. Transform your workforce and achieve your business goals. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.